Millions of people around the world rely on the gym to keep them healthy and in shape. But the truth is, definitely if you need to get healthy and also in shape, it has to start from you. Now you see a whole lot of persons saying they want to start working out, but in order for you to start working out, there are do's and don'ts you should be looking out for before you start working out, because the gym is now a very safe place to go, but it can also be very unhealthy. Now why do I say it can also be unhealthy? The gym is one place where you can always find sweat on the bench, on the treadmill. All of these things accumulated together can form germs and bacteria that you can actually get if your skin or if your immune system is not that strong, that can be very, very detrimental to your health. Now let's look at the personal hygiene of everyone that needs or that wants to start working out. First of all, it is very, very important you shower before going to the gym. It is very, very important, because I cannot even imagine how you slept at night, you woke up in the morning, probably there was no light if you're coming from this part of the world, and you will not take your bath and you're going to the gym to impress who? And when you walk past, you now start smelling like fish. It's not good. It's very wrong. All of these things are things you need to understand, that it is very, very important you do all those things. You need to take your bath before going to the gym, because the moment you don't take your bath, definitely you make everybody or others in the gym uncomfortable. Some persons might not say it, some persons might say it, and it will look like they're insulting you, they're trying to embarrass you. They're not embarrassing you, they're only saying what you needed to do. Now some persons will even take it further by not brushing their teeth. How would you go to the gym without brushing your teeth? You say you want to go and sweat, so you will not wash off the sweat from the previous day. No, it's bad. The next one we want to look at now is that you will go and use the restroom. You will not wash your hand. You will come back and you still touch the equipment without even wiping them when you're done. First of all, you don't even have hand sanitizer to sanitize your hand after doing all those things, and you will come back and you use it. Now what will happen is, the gym is also a place where you can actually get airborne respiratory viruses. We also have things like the papilloma virus. All of these things are found in the gym. So I'm not trying to scare you, but I'm just telling you, in as much as you want to go to the gym, you need to be very clean, because the gym is a clean place, and the word cleanliness is next to godliness applies to every aspect of your life. Now the next one is, yes, we are all guys in the gym. It's one big family. But if you're going to the gym, please go with your water, because you cannot come and say is your guy, and you're drinking his water, you're putting your mouth like everything, you're not even giving space, and you expect the same person to go back and drink that water. So what if you have an infection in your mouth or something, the person carries it and start treating what they don't know? It is very, very wrong. Another thing again that is very, very common, if you were listening, I said it earlier, is the fact that you go to the gym without even wiping your sweat. So which means you do not even go to the gym with your towel, which is very, very bad. You're supposed to go with your towel before you lie down on any machine. You spread your towel, or when you're done, you wipe the machine. Now you're not just doing it for the next person, but you're doing it for yourself, because you don't know who left that bench there without wiping it. The gym is a very fashionable place right now, but have you washed that cloth? For the fact it's black does not mean you wear it for 1 week straight without washing it. You need to wash it, because it needs to be clean for people to be able to come close to you. So imagine if you're doing a set of bench press with somebody and you're going to spot that person with that cloth, and the smell gets into the person's nose. What do you think will happen? It's very bad. Now the last one that is very, very important that a whole lot of persons neglect is using deodorant. Because you feel you're coming to the gym to sweat does not mean you don't have to smell good. It is really, really important you smell very well. When you walk past somebody, they should have that motivation to do an extra rep. You get to go an extra set. Now it's even cheap. I know in this part of the world you might say it's very expensive, but one can actually serve it for a month. So you can be, saving up to buy those things. So when you get to the gym, you're well kitted. It's not to look good on Instagram or on Facebook, and when we see you in person, it's another thing we are saying. But just keep looking at me, they will not know it's you I'm talking to. So all you need to do right now is to make sure that you're clean before you even start registering at the gym. If you know you're not clean, please use that money and go and clean yourself. Then save for the next month to come and register. If you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe, click on the like button, do well to turn on the notification button, because I'll be dropping a whole lot of do's and don'ts in the gym. And if you want to get personal, do well to go to my Instagram handle at Adonis_Davis. I'll do well to answer all your questions. Thank you very much.